Hey guys, it's Dara, and today we have our Ipsy subscription. I went ahead and opened the bag already, but this is for the August 2019 box. I unzipped it too. My hair is looking a little crazy just because I just threw it up in a ponytail. But this, first impressions, I absolutely love the bag. It's not like a fabric, it's more of like a plastic, but I love the stuff. It's just a really cute bag. Oops, just got locked you guys there. Oh, keep hitting the table. But so let's get right into it. So the first thing that I do notice is this brush. So it comes in plastic. Wish they won't do this. God damn it, why do they do this? Like, it is so hard to get into this. It's like the hardest thing ever to do. So this looks like it might be, at first I thought it was an angled brush, but I don't think it is. I think it's just like a regular kind of eyeshadow brush, but it kind of also does, I don't know if you guys see it, have like sort of an angle to it, but I think it's just because of how it was packed. I don't know. Well, it does sort of have like an angle. That is the first thing. The second thing is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I lost the word for it. It says this is an orchid stem cell complex. It has, so it's gonna length and volume. So I do have a full size one of these. It is pretty good. And they sent me an email because I got it in my Plus saying that they were sorry that they copied, like next month you got the same product, different box though, so here's 600 points, pick what you want. And I haven't picked quite yet. But yeah, so I have enjoyed this mascara. One thing I do know is once you get it wet, it's actually pretty easy to come off. It kind of coats your lashes, like it surrounds them, but it's not like to where it's gonna like melt off. It's gonna come off in kind of like chunkies. So it is a good mascara. Next we have the Papa Recipe Bombi Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. This is a Korean cleanser. They say it offers a gentle cleansing experience with its rich, effervescent lather, leaving skin feeling all day hydrated without stripping the skin. So that's really nice. My only thing is just during summertime, maybe not so much, but maybe during winter time. But this is really cute. Let me open it. Oh. I'm just gonna, it's definitely like a cream, which you do notice with the ones that do have a consistency to like be moisturizing. So that'd be good. Then we have the Suva Beauty eyeshadow. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. It just opens right up. Ooh, bitch. Jeez. Okay. So this is it. But I don't know if you guys see this. It looks like there might have been an issue with the machine right here. Do you see that? Kind of like a little patch right there. But it doesn't look like someone's put their finger on it. So that's fine. It must have just been like the machine. But it's a very pigmented. I barely like put my finger in. And maybe that's not because I have foundation on my hand. Don't ask why. But it's just like a shiny, like almost like skin tone gonna be, or dog sitting. And this guy is, see, here's the thing, I'm not a dog person, never claimed to be, so buddy go. So I'm okay with them, but it's just, give me my space, you know? Like, I'm with you, like, on my days off, on when I get home. Like, give me some time. Don't. Like, I'm more of a cat person, and they're like, they do their own thing. Dogs are more needy, and I'm not a needy person. I mean, sometimes I am, but let's see. This is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I'm like, what does this do? It kind of has like this weirdish consistency, like, but it does feel very water based. Feels actually really nice. So we'll definitely see how. We'll see how this goes. This is the one that actually they were like, "Hey, you can pick. What do you want?" And this is what I picked. So the Ipsy subscription is $10, and living in Arizona, we do have to pay taxes on it. So plus tax, 10 plus tax. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just trying to see here if there's anything else I need to talk about before I move on. So moving on. So with Ipsy, you are able to add on products for $3, for $12, just depending on what kind of products they are. So I don't know if you guys remember this, seeing this in my Ipsy Plus subscription, but this is Touch in Soul. So it is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So this is it. And then, but if you look at it, you see how much product it is versus what it looks like. But it has the pink tone, and it smells so good. It kind of smells fresh, and it is a Korean brand. They do skincare really well. And this is a water-based. It's like a gel, like, so, yeah, the first ingredient, which is usually what I've found out, like, from all the years of loving makeup, the first ingredient means that is, like, the one ingredient that has, like, the most, like, percentage of what's in it. So the first ingredient is water. So there's more water in here than anything else. It could be by 1%, by a little bit, but usually the first ingredient is what is like the highest percentage of ingredient. But yeah, so it is a water-based product, which is really great for people that do have oily skin like I do and cannot stand a cream in the middle of the summer. So this is really great. I do recommend it. It is absolutely wonderful. And if my oily girls out there, oily guys, you know, are looking for a moisturizer, this is it. This, besides, I absolutely love Clinique, but if you guys want to try something else, more maybe a Korean skincare brand, I would do Touch in Soul. This is a good one. So that is it. You know, I always love Ipsy. If you guys are looking for a great subscription box to start out, or maybe you guys want very personalized, because you can personalize these. They do a quiz when you sign up, so they know exactly kind of like what to give you. Sometimes it's a little off, but you know, most of the time it is actually really great. To be honest, I don't really buy too many mascaras because I always get some in here, so I always get them in my subscriptions. But that is it for the Ipsy bag. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and take care. Bye.